Hi, I'm Chifa, and I'm from the Granville strip.
Hi, I'm Jen, and you're watching Rodz and Hobz.
Welcome to another episode of Rodz and Hobz. Here we are in Coquitlam, the Hard Rock Casino. Standing here with Gord from the Thunder Kings Motor Group. President, cheers. Cheers. All right, so today's episode, we got girls, we got cars, we got Hummers.
Hummers?
Chopped Hummers.
Oh.
And we got stupid fast racing. So check it out. Enjoy the episode. Cheers.
Come and see Rodz and Hobz weekly.
Weekly, dude.
Now we know where you're from.
Okay, so here we are with Robert. This is a 2003 Hummer. How you doing, Robert?
Yeah, great.
So we're going to talk a little bit about the car
Right.
and the vehicle and how long you've had it and some details about it.
Yeah, it was done by Rich Evans and the crew in 2012 for a worldwide build. And then we brought it to SEMA show in Las Vegas and was a big hit. Basically what it is, it's 2003 with a 16 chop. Also turned from 4-door into two-door.
The two-door.
And a special custom grille.
Custom grill. And then everybody who worked on it.
Yeah, you have all the builders on the side with Rich Evans, his signature.
Hey guys!
Very cool.
Here we
And the
are!
sound system.
The sound system was done by Scott Owens. It's a sonic sound system with all the custom airbrushing, all the in and out. When you look at the roof, it's done by Jill and Kondo.
Oh, there's even stuff on top. I didn't even
On the
realize.
top, on the sides.
Beautiful. Beautiful work. How long did it take?
Well, it was done in 2 weeks.
Everything was done in 2 weeks.
It's like Car Warriors, right? In 2 weeks, and then it takes another half a year to finish up small things.
That is
just to make it
unbelievable.
beautiful,
2
right?
weeks.
2 weeks.
And you're currently selling it right now?
It's for sale.
It's for sale. How do we find you if we want to?
Well, just go to our website, www.fbs-fox-bravo-sugar-online.com.
Wicked. And so you do also different custom work as well, or?
Yeah, as you see, we do custom cars, we do custom diff cars, we do custom bikes, so we work with some of the best fabricators in
Beautiful.
Canada as well as United States with best custom painters, like with Nav from American Chopper, Nav Graphics,
Okay.
with Steve DeMann, with Scott McKay, or a whole bunch of people, and basically we'll put everything together just to make sure that it's a beautiful piece of work. Yeah.
No, it is unbelievable. The detail is I mean, there's so much detail if you keep looking
All that
around.
stuff going on. You have to go around the car and just
Several times.
just spend a bit of time, maybe about half hour, and just look at it, small things.
Awesome. Great job. Great job.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Been turned into a coup.
Nothing?
Nothing yet. Probably as soon as I do. Hey, Greg. Greg. Hey. Hey. That is awesome. All right, so while you're sitting on your bike, all right, so a little bit about your club.
Tim from West Coast Kings. We're from East Van. Out of East Van.
Very cool. How can they get a hold of you?
Get a hold of me at on Facebook. It's Tim R. You'll see my picture, see his face, you'll look at it.
Very cool.
Or get a hold of me at tipswestcoast@yahoo.ca.
Okay.
Or you can get at me at Instagram. It's just tips-.ck.
Very cool. And you've had the bike how long?
2 years. Well, a year. Last year is the second year having it. So.
Lots of detail in there. Who did the paint job and stuff like that?
Andrew Johnson out of Unity Car Club.
Unity Car Club.
Yeah.
And they've been around for, you said, a long time?
Yeah, the West Coast Kings, we've been around the longest. So.
Very cool.
Yeah.
How long does something like this take to make?
You're looking at about a year, man.
A year?
Yeah, because it's all fiberglass, right? So it's all molded and everything like that. So.
Okay, everybody listen.
Now, since I've been in Canada, I haven't seen a lot of stuff like this up here. I know it's huge in LA.
Yeah, I used to live in California, so it was pretty fun.
Oh, whereabouts in California?
Long Beach.
Long Beach.
Long Beach.
Very cool. I'm very familiar with Hollywood and Glendale.
Oh, yeah.
And Bakersfield.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the one spot I've seen a lot of these custom bikes is Bakersfield.
Yeah.
And the band Korn, I know they brought a lot of it out back in the 90s.
Yeah.
They made it super more attainable for people to look at and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So.
You know, you gotta do something different out here, right? Like
It
in
is.
Vancouver, you don't see any of this stuff out here, man.
Nothing.
Right? So, you know, trying to bring something out from the West Coast, you know, down in Cali, bring it out here, and we can show that we can do it big too, right? So it's a big community, it's a big family. Still, man, I love it.
That's awesome. And then, of course, you got Mike and Diener's bike right over there.
Oh, man, they're killing it.
Yeah.
Dean, I just can't wait for Dean's new bike to show up. He's working on that, I know.
Yeah, I heard he's got a new bike
It's
on
that
the.
secret bike, he wouldn't let me know.
You haven't even seen it.
What up, Dean? Why won't you let me know?
That's the thing, right? Talked to him this morning. He doesn't want to be filmed or anything. I'm not talking about nothing, man.
Nothing. Tight lips.
That's it. That's smart on his part. So when it does come out, it'll be bam.
Yeah, exactly.
Love the logo. Logo's cool. That is awesome. Good job. Great job on everything.
Thanks, man. Yeah, West Coast Kings. There we go.
All right, so you'll see more of him on YouTube and Rodz and Hobz.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Very cool. Thanks, bro.
Have a good one, man.
You too. Cheers. This is Diener's bike. Do you know much about Diener's bike since he doesn't want to do anything talking about
Yeah, it's a 69 Schwinn.
69 Schwinn.
69 Schwinn. Dude, he built this when he was in high school.
What's he now? 50 years old? Fuck the
Oh,
guy.
he's an old geezer. Look at him.
I know. He's.
Look at him.
at
He's an old geezer. Old.
That's it. He just, you know. Last time I saw him were in Pimp Daddy movies and stuff like that, right?
He's got a cane. He's just
Pretty
bringing
flat
it
for
in.
a white guy. I think he's 30 pounds wet.
Yeah.
So how long has Diener had this bike for? Like since high school, right? So
Dean, you've had this bike over.
look at the reflectors. That is wicked.
12 years? Over 15.
Look at the bell. Does the bell work? No shit, eh?
Horn works, bell works.
Horn works. Where's your horn? Oh yeah, old school horn. That is awesome. Very nice. Look at even the setup and the display. Good job, good job. And my buddy Mike, this is his bike. Again, he's off screen. He doesn't want to be interviewed or talked to. You know, maybe he's afraid he's on America's Most Wanted or something. Well, you got to do something dangerous to get involved in that. So, plush green seat.
Wow, look at that lowrider. That's really exciting.
Lots of detail. I know that. We got him that in Cabo. Very cool. Lots of cool little detail on that.
I'm still not done with that. Still got
if you can see it in the film, but it's got the sparkle, the old school sparkle 1970s green.
I don't put on the stroke pedal or anything like that, but it's a rider, right? There's a lot of guys that build these bikes.
Awesome. Lots of little details, things like that.
Build it for his love of it.
And there you go. Another wicked ride on Rodz and Hobz. Let's see what else we got available here. We'll check out some more stuff. this concludes another damn fine episodes of Rodz and Hobz. Sitting here in the sun, it's warm as shit. It's hot. It's warm out today.
It's freaking hot.
It's freaking hot. So, tune back. Thanks a bunch for watching. Thanks to all the cool cars seen today. And crazy, fast, stupid clothing. Love it. So, cool. Peace. Too much road, too little time. Catch you on the flip side. Peace.